Hello everyone, and welcome to How-FixIT. If your DJI Lito X1 crashed and now one of the arms is loose, does not fold or unfold correctly, sits at the wrong angle, or the arm hinge shaft is cracked or broken, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the front and rear arm hinge shafts step by step. For this repair, you will need a T5 Torx screwdriver, tweezers, and replacement arm hinge shafts. On the DJI Lito X1, each arm shaft differs by arm position: front left, front right, rear left, and rear right. Make sure to install the correct hinge shaft for each side. I'll leave links to the replacement arm shafts for the Lito X1 in the video description below. Before starting the repair, remove the battery from the drone. In the first part of this video, I'll show you how to replace the rear arm hinge shaft. In the second part, I'll show you how to replace the front arm hinge shaft. Let's start with the rear arm hinge shaft. Use a Torx T5 screwdriver to remove the two screws securing the rear arm hinge shaft to the drone frame. After removing the screws, pull out the hinge shaft. If the shaft is stuck, move it gently from side to side and use tweezers to help guide it out. Once the damaged rear arm hinge shaft is removed, make sure the new shaft matches the same side of the drone. The left and right hinge shafts are not interchangeable. A link to the rear arm hinge shaft is included in the video description below. Install the new rear arm hinge shaft into the frame in the same orientation as the original part. Make sure it is fully seated and aligned with the screw holes. Now reinstall the two screws that secure the rear arm hinge shaft to the frame. After tightening the screws, check the rear arm movement. The arm should fold and unfold smoothly, lock correctly in the open position, and should not have excessive play. Now let's replace the front arm hinge shaft. The front arm hinge shaft is removed a little differently. First, use a T5 Torx screwdriver to remove the two screws securing the front arm to the hinge shaft. Carefully separate the front arm from the shaft. Do not pull the arm too far away from the frame, because the motor wires are still connected. Next, remove the three screws securing the shaft to the drone frame. Now you can remove the damaged front arm hinge shaft from the frame. A link to the front arm hinge shaft is included in the video description below. Before installing the new front arm hinge shaft, compare it with the old one and make sure it is the correct replacement for this exact side of the drone. Place the new front arm hinge shaft into the frame and secure it with the three screws. Now place the front arm back onto the hinge shaft. Make sure the arm is seated correctly and aligned with the shaft. Reinstall the two screws that secure the arm to the hinge shaft. After the front arm is installed, check the movement. The arm should fold and unfold smoothly. Now install the battery and do a basic check. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Visit our website for more insights and do-it-yourself guides. Remember, every tech challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. Thanks for watching How Fix It, and we'll see you in the next one.